Most e-commerce assistants know yesterday's website copy. UPLIFY Chat knows the current catalog. The service connects to the same public XML or YML feed a merchant already uses for Google Merchant or marketplaces. Prices, availability, product links, images, and attributes are refreshed automatically without uploading a spreadsheet every day. Here is the live widget inside a horoscope store. A shopper asks for a silver pendant under 8,000 hryvnias. The assistant searches the latest feed and returns 3 in-stock products that respect the budget with real prices and direct product links. The conversation does not end with a generic answer. When the shopper is ready, the widget collects the selected product, name, phone number, delivery details, and explicit consent. Payment stays outside the chat. A manager receives the qualified request and confirms the order and payment method. The merchant workspace shows the feed status for 145 current products, availability, conversations, leads, and the latest sync. The widget is installed with one script, and the workspace includes a visual horoscope guide for placing it before the closing body tag. Under the hood, UPLIFY Chat combines PostgreSQL full-text search with tenant-scoped vector embeddings. Claude Haiku performs strict tool calling and can only answer from the latest retrieval result. Origin allow lists, bounded history, feedback, rate limits, and per-store data isolation harden the public widget. During OpenAI Build Week, I used Codex with GPT 5.6 as the implementation partner and adversarial reviewer. Codex turned the initial product idea into a bilingual multi-tenant SaaS, built the API and admin workspace, tested prompt injection and catalog mismatches, reviewed the interface, and shipped the Docker production release. The dated Git history documents the complete build. UPLIFY Chat is live now at chat.uplify.agency. A better answer starts with the current catalog.